Number 43. If an electric bill for last year was $200 but increased to $248 this year, what was the percent of increase? Round the answer to the nearest tenth of a percent. Okay, now we're looking for the percent of increase, so first of all I'm looking for the increase. It was 200 and now it's 248. How much did it go up? And how would you figure that out? You would subtract them, wouldn't you, to find out it went up $48. It increased $48. Now you're going to say 48 is what percent of either 200 or 248, but it's going to be the original amount. 48 is what percent? Now which of these two is the original? What was it last year? The 200 last year, wasn't it? Huh? Last year was 200? That's my original. So we're going to say 48 is what percent of 200? The 248 was only used to find out the 48. After that we don't use it again. The original, what it originally was last year, is 200. We call that the base. Okay. Now we're going to have two fractions that are equal, and this is called the rate here. The rate is going to be my left fraction. What percent can be written as x over 100? Okay. Then I only have to fill in the second right fraction here. Now what goes on the top and bottom? Well, 200 should go where? It follows the word of. We've already said it was the original. The original was the base, but we also know it's the base because it comes after the word of. The base was put right here after the word of. The base goes on the bottom because base starts with a B and so does bottom. So the 200 comes here. The 48 is called the amount and goes on top. Alright, but the 48 comes up here because it's the only place left for it. When you identify the base as 200, put it on the bottom, the 48 comes up on top. Now we're taking 48 times 100. Alright, we're cross multiplying and we're dividing by the leftover number, the 200, aren't we? 48 times 100 divided by the 200. Now you can cancel these out, these zeros out here, but we'll just take 48 times 100 and write 4800, then cancel the zeros out. You could also say divide this by 100 and this by 100. But one way or the other, the zeros are going away. We're going to say 48 over 2, which is 24, and that makes it 24%. We don't have to round that off.